Consider a fair six-sided die. Let E be the event that an even number is rolled. Let F be the event that a 5 or 6 is rolled. Are the events E and F independent? So remember, we have two different ways to calculate the probability if they are independent or dependent. So if the events are independent, then the probability of E and F is equal to the probability of E times the probability of F. And if the events are dependent, then the probability of E and F is equal to the probability of E times the probability of F given E. Now, if in fact the events are independent, then these two will be the same. So if those events are independent, in fact, then those two probabilities will be the same. So let's go through and calculate these. So the probability of E and F, let me use black for this one, the probability of E and F, so the probability of E times the probability of F. So the probability of E is that an even numbers roll, so there's 3 out of 6 of those. And the probability of F is that a 5 or 6 is rolled, there's 2 out of 6 of those. So there we would get 6 out of 36, or 1/6. So let's look at the dependent case. So E and F, so the probability of E times the probability of F, given that E has already happened. So E is just 3 out of 6. Probability of F given E. So E is the event that even numbers roll. So now we only have 3 outcomes, right? So that we either roll a 5 or a 6 out of the even numbers. So think about our even numbers are 2, 4, and 6. What's the probability that we get a 5 or 6 out of that? Well, that's a 1 out of 3. So when we do this here, we get 3 out of 18, or 1 out of 6. So if we look at these, we notice that they're the same. So E and F are independent.